welcome back to another video. Today I'll be adding on extension locks on pre-existing locks that I made a couple of weeks ago. Yeah, like 3 weeks ago I made these instant dreads on this gentleman's hair, and he wanted a little bit of length, so come on back and see how I'm gonna add on these lock extensions on his hair. Hence the reason why I'm making this video, so that you can see it is easy to do. And yes, so these are 4 inches in length, 0.4 centimeters in width, and they are natural black color. They can be bleached, dyed, shampoo, anything you want. They are 100% human hair. This is my lock pin prong that I will be using. It is 0.75 millimeter. The head, that's the size of the prongs. I like using the 2 prongs pin because it gets the job done faster, and yeah, neater for me and everything. So let's get into it. I'm gonna be separating his hair, and I think there is about 48 to 50 dreadlocks that I'll be doing today. And bear with me, it took me 3.5 hours, I think, because it could have done in a less time period because I work faster, but I just want to spend a little more time on his hair so that the hair can be done neatly. I had to loose the end a little so that I can braid the extensions onto his real hair. I choose that method because it is much more it lasts longer, trustworthy. It lasts much longer than any other method. Some people, they just put the hair towards each other and they just crochet it like together. I rather to braid it on first to give it more security. So if you have to pull on it, or a child have to pull on it or something, that it wouldn't come off. It wouldn't come off easily, or it wouldn't just drop off like that. It would have enough grip to it so that it stays much longer. I do the braiding first, and then I add some human hair extensions, some of the bulk hair extensions onto the braid or over the braid to cover it, and then use my pin, my prong, to go in and I crochet it so that it can look seamless, so that if you or anyone else see his locks, it wouldn't look like extensions, it wouldn't look like anything is added on to that. So yes, for this method, I rather you wash your hair and don't add any sort of oil or any other product. You just use the shampoo, your conditioner, and then just dry your hair, or leave it, let it air dry. You can towel dry, you can even blow dry, but don't add any oils. Oils will make it greasier and uneasy to work with. The first one is finished. This is finished, and I'm just doing some trimming off some excess hair. So this is how it's looking, and I've been doing this for a very long time now, so it comes very easy. It comes to me easy, like, and I work faster because I know what I'm doing, and I know exactly where I want to get. So I finished the cup, some in the back, a couple in the back, and look at this. Can you even tell that there are extensions added onto his hair? The color is natural black, and the natural black is like a natural hair color. Let me zoom in. So it's a natural hair color, and can you tell there is any extension added onto his hair? So I'm just gonna finish some more, and then I'll show you. I'll come on right back. The length is 4 inches. Did I mention that? It's 4 inches, and look at how natural the locks look. It looks so real. It looks real. They are flexible. They are versatile. I shampoo the locks before I install them, so they're all nice and clean, and they won't itch at all. So I finished a couple, like mostly in the back. I finished installing everything. So I am going to, so this is the braid. This is where his hair meets the extension, right? As you can see. And I'm going to add some bulk hair right now. Some bulk hair, and I'm going to cover the braid. It's just like 1 inch in length, 1 inch in length. And I'm going to cover that and make it look seamless, and then I'm going to use my lock pin or my lock hook or my prongs to blend it in seamlessly. I'm just gonna wrap it, and we don't need a lot of bulk hair. We don't need a lot, just a little to kind of like hide the braided part, and just blend it seamlessly. We don't want it too bulky. I hope you're having a good day, and I hope you're enjoying my video, this video. I hope you learn a lot from this video. Whatever you need to know, you can always ask me, and I'll always be willing to answer any sort of question. Remember, there aren't any bad questions, so don't be afraid. Just leave your questions. You can follow me on my various social media. I will add them in the description down below. And this is how what I do with my pin. I use the swimming motion with the lock pin. It's like you're swimming, like crocheting, and as the pin go in through the hair, it's like going in, and then it's swimming through, in and out, swimming in and out. So yeah. And this is it. Can you tell can you tell where it even meets, where the extension meets his hair? Seamless, right? Seamless. So it's very easy to do, and hence the reason why I'm making this video, to show you that my way of doing it, like adding on the extension. This is not the way, but this is my way. This is my method. This is what I chose to use, and it has been working so far. So I'm finished all. He said that he want a little bit trimmed off, and I use the interlock method to interlock his roots so that they can stay nice and tight for a very long time. And when it comes back, I'm gonna retwist them like palm roll and do a style. So this he wanted it like this for now. So yes, I cut off like 2 inches off, 1 inch off the locks. So yeah, and this is the finished and final look. The locks, they are, and yeah, products used will be in the description down below. Everything that I use in this video would be listed in the description down below. Don't be afraid to holler at me. This is the front, and yeah, so of course, thank you for watching this video and all my other videos.